Hello, this is Lisa from Casa de Greenlee Art, and I am back today with another color split based on some colors that I just kind of mixed together. Today's painting is going to be in this gorgeous turquoise teal color. Hope you can see that color. It is so pretty. And with that, I'm going to go a little bit rogue. The last two paintings I did, I kind of did a similar color scheme. This one I'm going to go completely off the rails, and I will put a picture in over here of the inspiration painting that I'm using. But I am going to use Phthalo Blue from Soho Acrylic, French Ultramarine Blue by Atelier, Metallic Blue by Artist Loft, Silver by Deco Art Extreme Sheen, Rogue from Master's Touch, Metallic Magenta by Blick Studio Acrylic, and Sangria from This Little Piggy Pigments. Like I said, I'm going a little off the rails with this one. So I'm going to flood my canvas and I will return. I am back. My canvas is flooded and I am ready to go. Boy, fingers crossed on this one. I hope it looks as good as that other painting did. So this is the Phthalo Blue Soho Acrylic. French Ultramarine by Atelier. Bit of a drip there. Metallic Blue by Artist Loft. Deco Art Extreme Sheen Silver. That on nice and thick. That was Rogue by Master's Touch. And one of my ultra favorite colors, Sangria by This Little Piggy Pigments. Okay, let's see how this goes. It's interesting. I think it's going to dry really pretty. On that other painting that I used was the light, it was Amsterdam turquoise green. So this is absolutely darker. It's going to dry darker, but I think it's really pretty. Okay. I'm going to blow just a little bit here and there. Put the torch to it, get some more of the bubbles popped and cell action going. All right, I will take you down and put on the flash and do a bit of a close-up. Okay, here she is close up. She's getting some really pretty cells going. I think this will be a really interesting one dry. That's really pretty right there. That sangria, that lighter pink in the center is really going to shine when it dries. So I will show you the dried result. I think this one came out really, really pretty. Those colors together actually work. It's a really pretty sheen. I actually do not have the flash on for this, which, you know, usually I do, but it's so shiny that it was really hard to film with the flash on. And maybe I'll do like a little fast forward video of with the flash on so you can see. Thank you so much for watching. Please press the alarm button, subscribe, like it. If you're interested in this painting, please email me at casadegreenleeart@gmail.com. Have a great day.